It's for free. The gods may come for their combo.
This is my tree. African giant fan.
They have received you as the visitors, they will notice it. Yes, so we're going to give you some entertainment, then we'll continue. After the entertainment, we shall pass through the stage that we shall be led by one of the local guys whom I told you that got the chance to go to school and can speak English.